session, we are going to customize and configure company portal for end users. So for that, we need to just go to tenant administration here, and then we have customization. By default, by Microsoft side, we do have one, but we need to create and assign a new customization for the end users. For that, I need to create, and I'm giving a name here. Company portal. And then next. Can't see the next button here. Okay. It's here. Then we have here the settings. So we need to select all the settings that we need for our company portal customization. Organization name, I'm just putting TWN, and the color. So if you would like to have a customized color, you need to put the theme color here, but I would go with the standard one. Show in header organization logo or name. You can select like different only organization logo, only organization name. And so I would go with the both of them. And upload logo for them color background. If you would like, if you have some alternative color background, you need to upload it from here. I don't have it right now, so I'm just skipping this part. Upload logo for white or light background. If you have some color or a logo for background, you can just go ahead with this one. Upload brand image. So in E1 we have some kind of support information here, contact name if you would like to have some contacts, phone number, email address, website URL, and all these information. Configuration enrollment. Customize the setup experience in company portal for Android and iOS devices. Device enrollment. Available with prompts, available no prompts, unavailable. What does it mean? How the options to enroll is presented to users when they open company portal. Unavailable means that there is no option to enroll. So we just go ahead with available with prompts. And the privacy appears as a link in the company portal sends employees your organization's privacy statement. So we don't have anything right now for this one. And privacy message about what support can see, or and even you can customize the message here. Privacy message about what support can using the default message. Device category, let users select device categories in the company portal. Allow, block. So I'm going to allow this one. App sources, choose which additional app sources will be shown in the company portal. Microsoft Enterprise applications should be hide, or it depends. If you're going to be like visible, then click on show. Office online applications, hide, configuration manager applications, show. So you need to select all the information here in this next. Privacy statement URL is required. Privacy statement appears as a link in the company portal, sends employees to your organization's privacy statement. So we don't have any of them right now. I will be adding some random stuff here, which is, let me just put this one. Next. Assignment, I will be adding this customization to a specific groups. That's why I'm assigning the group now, which is these users. And then scope tags, we don't need it right now. And then next, in create. So we just successfully created a company portal customization for our end users, which is specific users and those users are just scoped with the security group, and these users will be receiving these customization in their company portal and their endpoint devices. So this is how we can customize the company portal or configure the company portal for end users.